Need to export your manufacturing order data? Ordoro makes it simple to generate detailed reports for tracking production and inventory. Navigate to the manufacturing page and click Export MFG Orders. The Export MFG Order Details modal will appear. Use the options provided to customize your export. Select either the detail or summary report based on your needs. Specify the date range for the manufacturing orders you want to export. This will include all orders created within the selected dates. Choose the appropriate time zone to ensure accuracy in your report. Double-check your selections, then click Export. Once generated, the report will be available in the Activity menu under Exports. Click the CSV button, and the file will automatically download to your computer. Having quick access to your manufacturing data keeps your operations running smoothly. Use this export feature whenever you need clear insights into your production workflow.